Tripura is the second largest producer of natural rubber. Behind this lies the livelihood of 50,000 small-scale farmers. But what most people don't see is a silent crisis hidden behind the production of rubber. Every day these farmers rely on formic acid and other industrial coagulants for the process of latex coagulation, eating into both the farmer's earning and the state's environment. In our field trip, we observed that the farmers depend entirely on formic acid, which are corrosive and harmful. So we also observed that they use bare hands for the mixing of the latex with the formic acid, which causes them to get skin burns, rashes and other health hazards and daily exposure to fumes that no one talks about. But the damage doesn't stop there. They dump the acidic waste into the nearby ponds and rivers and the empty fields, which causes air and groundwater pollution.
Tripura's river backbone is slowly becoming its toxic burden, and yet no local, safe or affordable alternative existed until now. We use the locally abundant bilimbi fruit as a plant-based natural coagulant to replace toxic chemicals in latex processing. This fruit, which grows freely in every corner of Tripura's village, has oxalic, citric and malic acid that can naturally coagulate latex, just like formic acid, but without pollution, dependency on chemicals and health risk. To make the coagulant last longer and stays fungus-free, we use lemon-derived citric acid and clove oil as natural preservative. This blend keeps the bilimbi extract fresh and effective for up to 3 months even in Tripura's humid climate. For testing our prototype, we used 200 ml of latex and 200 ml of bilimbi extract in 10:1 ratio and stirred them gently for uniform reaction. We added few drops of clove oil as natural antifungal and antibacterial agent, followed by 5 ml of lemon-derived citric acid to preserve the bilimbi extract and maintain acidity.
The Bilimbi initiative reflects vocal for local by using bilimbi fruit instead of synthetic acid to coagulate latex. Throughout our research, we find out that bilimbi is really acidic and efficiently coagulates latex and does not harms the environment. Simple eco-friendly method replaces synthetic acids by naturally available resources. This doesn't cause any pollution and promotes livelihood and employment.
With this innovation, we are not just making an eco-friendly rubber. We are building a blueprint for Viksit Bharat that is cleaner and globally competitive. From Tripura soil to India's economy, the Bilimbi initiative is not just a project. It is a movement to make Bharat future ready. The Bilimbi initiative made in Tripura is made for Bharat.